Parang pinapasok na tayo. Napakalupit. Wala na, nagkakiyata na ng bakod kahit babae. Tinan mo, kahit babae. Game ha? Enjoy lang tayo pero focus tayo sa laro. Okay? Communicate, usap, walang mainis. Okay? At the end of the day, laro lang to na nag-enjoy tayo. At gamitin natin para mag-improve tayo. Okay? Welcome Celis and Kent. Huwag kayong mahiya. Ikaw, alam mo na yun. Kent, labas mo yung laro mo. Okay? Bibigyan kita pagkakataon this time. Okay, pray tayo ulit guys. Lord, maraming salamat po Lord. Again, ingatan niyo po kami Lord. Grabe yung tao Lord, pinuno mo na naman yung court Lord. And yun lang po Lord, binabalik po namin sa iyo to through this game Lord. And makilala ka ng mga tao through us Lord. Turuan mo po kami Lord. And yun lang po Lord, ingatan niyo po kami, pati ang mga kalaro namin and lahat na manonood dito Lord. Thank you for the grace Lord, thank you for the provision Lord. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Alright, let's go. Come on guys. Guys, lakas natin. Jesus! First 5. Centro. First 5. Disyembre. Centro. 4. 2, 3. Justin, 1. Subukan natin. Gusto daw niya subukan kung kaya niya sumabay. Tingnan natin. Sa unang 5 minuto makikita natin, okay? Kaya? Sure ka?
Saya ko.
Bigyan natin. Subukan natin to guys. Makita naman natin agad. Kasi nung nakaraan naglaro din siya. And mas naging matured, mas nagiging magaling na point guard siya as games go by. So, eto kahit konting minuto lang, bibigyan ulit natin ang pagkakataon to para at least kadadayo natin na isasabay na natin yung experience niya kaysa yung naiisang tabi natin. So kung magkakaroon natin naman siya ng sarili niyang team, and bubuuin natin yon. Gusto ko bago mangyari yon kahit paano medyo sanay na siya na kami yung kakampi namin. Kami yung kakampi niya. Game?
Sobrang sayo ko, coach.
Go.
Malabo. Nag-huddle yan.
All this to Johnny. Pass to number 11. Pass to Balong. Balong. Easy to Balong. Justin. Balong sa bola. Pass to number 26. No good. Rebound by bola. Pass to Johnny. Johnny pass to Romy. Easy to Balong. Foul. Basket na tayo dyan. Who's ball rep? Foul by number 11. Bonus free throw para kay Roque. Roque no good. Rebound by Justin. Justin. Pinasa kay Bishop na sita. Nakakuha ni number 11 bumukol ng dos. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4. Back to Justin. Justin again. Pass to number 4. Go back on play number 4. Tibrak no good. Nasa kanya. May foul na dyan. Who's foul rin? Foul by number 11. 2 shots para kay number 4.
Mangangalay ka lang dyan. Video mo na lang.
Kunin ko na lang yan, share ko na lang.
Para sa unang gusto. Second goal para kay number 4. Basket count. Roque again, may hawak na bola. Roque, didiskarte. May foul tayo dyan. Foul by number 4. Single. 17-second shot clock. Inbound by Roque. Pass to Palma. Pass to Quintos. No good. Na-rebound again ay Palma. Palma na huli. Nakuha ni Bishopper. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Bumilis kami. Pass to Bishopper. Pass to number 30. Back to Bishopper. Pass to Justin to press. Roque again. Roque atake. Pinasa kay Quintos. No good. Na-rebound. Back to Justin. Justin again. Pass to number 1. Public. May foul tayo dyan. Who's foul rin? Foul by number 26. 2 shots para kay number 20. Good pass out and go. Second goal. Pass it down. Wide again. Roque again off the bola. Pass to John. Mamalino. Pass to William sa 3. No good. Rebound by Justin. Justin, pass to Miko. Miko, pass to number 0, pass to number 4. Roque, pass para kay Magalino Spimu. Kinaliwa na good, rebound by number 4. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Easy points. Roque again. Roque. Dumidiskarte. Pass to Villamor. Villamor rumadang pass to Pala. Pass to Quitos. Quitos. Back to Roque. Roque sa 3. No good. The rebound by Bishop. Back to Justin. Justin, kumawala. May foul tayo dyan. Foul number 26. Second personal foul. 17-second shot clock. Pass to the syempre. Nahuli ni Pala pero nakanino. Nakaitin syempre pa rin. Pass to Rico. Rico. No good. Nakalimutan ni Titos. Titos. Pass to Villamor. Villamora at Tangay. No good pa rin. Pass rin para kay syempre. Reverse set. City Boys. Titos again. Back to Roque. Roque sa tres. No good. Narimo ni number 20. Back to Justin. Justin nalito pa pass to number 4. Number 4, may foul tayo dyan. Foul tayo number 4.
Kausapin ko.
Remaining time, 6 minutes and 39 seconds left. Official score, 11-4. Labangang Bugs Phenomenon. Okay, back to the ball game. Our official score, 11-4 in favor of Team Bugs. Just again. 2 minutes na tayo umatang inalan na good. Nakakuha nyo. Easy boys.
Kawawa naman yung baby doon.
Ang init doon.
Pinakamalawak ng bola. Pass to Naka. Naka-pass to Nega. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Bishop again. Back to Justin. Justin. Baby Sutton. Pass to number 26. No good. Rebound by number 4. City Boys. Binalaw na yung ang bola. Dilisyan ng pass to Naka. Pass to Negad. Negad na. Huli ni number 4. Back to Negad again. Pass to Hapida. Hapida pass to Negad. No good. Rebound by Bishop. Back to Justin. Justin again. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Back to Justin. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Chop shot. No good. Rebound by number 20. Back to number 1 sa 3. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha ni number 20 again. Number 20. Pass to again. Nakapita sa pass leg. No good pa rin. Nakakuha ni number 4. Back to Justin. Justin. Pass to number 7. Number 7 back to Justin Suarez. No good. Rebound by number 2. Negad. Negad. Pass to Naka sa 3. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 4. Back to number 20. Back to Justin. Justin, pass to number Justin, pass to number 7, back to number 20. No good, number 20 again, wala pa rin. Nakawa yung number 20 naman. Easy points.
Haba ng bias.
Villamor. Didiscount again. Pass to Hapida sa 3. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha nila number 7, back to pass. Pero nasunod. Simple. Justin. Pass to this shepherd. Di shepherd pababa. Di shepherd. Pass to Hapida. Hapida pass to Villagador. By foul tayo dyan. Foul by number 11.
14-second shot clock.
Go, Justin!
Inbound by Hapida. Hapida. Pass to Naka. Naka pass to Villagador. Pass to Nega. Jump shot. No good pa rin. rebound pa rin nakapumukol ng dos. Wala pa rin nakakuha ni Don. Negative again, easy 2 points. Justin. Justin discussing pass to number 4. Back to Justin. Justin pass to number 23.
Rep.
No good. Rebound by number 7. Easy 2 points. Villador. Pass to side. Side pass to Hapita. Back to Villador. No good pa rin. Nakakuha ni number 20 dito. May hawak ng bola. Tuwa ko pass to T-shirt. Arma. Substitution. Number 20 again. Villador may hawak ng bola. Villador. Pass to Nakasatres. No good. Rebound by number 0. Back to Justin. Justin again. Iniskate. Umatay. Pass to number 0. Back to Sean. Pass to T-shirt. Easy 2 points. Villador again. Villador nagsiset ng nail. Pass to Hapita. Pass to side sa 3. No good. Rebound by T-shirt. Back to Justin. Justin pass to Sean. Back to Justin. Justin pass to T-shirt.
Mamaya, pag nakaharang.
Villador again. Ayaw ng bola. Villador, pass to side. Side, pass to Nakasatres. No good. Rebound by Justin. Justin, pass para kay number 4. Official score, 27-6. Labang ng 21 ang bakas ng mga basketball.
Manis. Pamantay.
Back to the ball game.
Balance mo.
Kailangan sa labas.
May tubig ba kami play?
Pedal, may hawak ng bola. Pass to Sabian, back to Pedal. Pedal dumidiskarte, pass to Sabian. Sabian, jump shot. No good. Rebound by dalawa pass to Justin. Justin. Out of bounds.
May tubig pala doon. Baka mo ako?
Sabian again. Sabian, pass to Galicia. Galicia may foul. Who's foul rep? Foul by number. Foul by number 0. 19 seconds to shoot. Ingo by number 11. Padala atake. Yes, 6 points. Back to Justin. Justin. Nasi di balik Panan. Panan side step. May foul tayo dyan. Who's foul rep? Foul by number 11. Two shots para kay number 11 Padan. First throw. No good. Second throw. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 0. Pass to Justin. Justin wants to set up the game. Justin. Pass to number 4. Pass to Sean. Pass to Alabao. Ay, patay na. Foul by number 7. 2 shots para kay Kalawang Isabela. No win. Second row. Wala pa rin. Ulong na naman natin. Galing siya. Fast break pass para kay Morada. Pass to Sabian. Sabian. Pinasa. Out of bounds. Johnson again. Justin pass to siya. Jump shot. Wasting 2 points. Sabian. Sabian dito sa crossover. Pass to Galicia. Galicia sa ilalim. Traveling violation. Justin again. Doing this time, Justin. Doing a little pass to the ground. But that's now fast break pass to Sabian. It's 2 points. Justin again. Ball number 11. 19 seconds to shoot. Justin again. Justin, pass number 4. 15 seconds. Pass to Justin. Justin, pass to Justin. Morada, back to Sabian. Sabian. Pass to Padal. Padal. Didiskarte. Pass to Morada sa drop. Dos. No good pa rin. Rebound by Sean. Sean lang pa rin. Ito na sa fast. Pass to Sabian. Last 10 seconds. Sabian. Pass to Galicia.
Rep.
Traveling violation. Last 6 seconds on the top. Last 6 seconds. 6 seconds na lang. Number 7. Pass to number 4. After Posayo. Business song, 36-10, nabangkang 26 ang balas tumagal.
Okay na, sir.
Guys, sobrang good job si Justin. Kasi yung the way he plays ngayon talaga, pang totoong official game na dumadrive, pumapasa. Ang dami niya maganda kapasa. Siyang dalawa sa ilalim kay Disyembre. Kanina ata yun, binuta siya, drumapas, tapos naka 3 points. So, mas nagiging effective na siya sa totoong laro. Ano?
Masakit.
Masakit. Galing ni Justin. Kaya lang may problema ako eh. Mukhang hindi natatangkad. Hindi, sana. Tingnan natin, malay natin.
Bossing.
Okay mga bata.
Sige, okay na. Paano ko? Stay, patawag na sunod. Okay na yan.
Back to the ball game. Number 2, pass to Sean. Shot pass, no good. Rebound by Kitos. Pass to Magalino. Back to Kitos. Pinasa kay Pata. Pass to Zobrenza. No good. Rebound by Villamor sa ilalim. Easy 2 points. Number 20 again. Number 22 jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 11. Villamor atake pass to. May foul tayo dyan. Foul by number 22. Ball by number 11. No good. Rebound by number 4. Kaso na namin. Nakuha nito. Kitos. Wala pa rin. Nakuha nito. Kitos again. Pass to Villamor. 2 minutes pa. Easy 2 points. Number 9. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 9. Namin Davis kami. Number 9. Nasunan. Same ball. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to down. Shot niya ang palapas na number 22 Papi. Umatake. Sila yung hapoy sa reverse niyan. Villamor again. Ayaw ang bola. Villamor pass to Happy na sa 3. Wala pa rin na rebound by Panal pass to Kitos. 3 seconds to shoot. Kitos. Back to Kitos. Pass to Kitos sa isa. Bibalik tayo sa Tita. Pass ito points. Number 11. Ayaw ang bola. Number 9. Pass to John. Pass to John. Foul by number 26. Two shots by number 7. Lazaro. Pass it on. Villamor again. Villamor pass to Macalino. Macalino. Back to Villamor. Villamor pass to Kitos. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Paris. Number 11. Villamor. Nagpapadali. Villamor, back to Macalino. Macalino ng dribble. 15 seconds. Nakuha ni Villamor. Villamor. May foul tayo dyan.
Johnny! Johnny! Kinakabahan ka ba? Hoy! Kinakabahan ka ba, Johnny?
14 seconds shot clock. Inbound by Villamor. Villamor crossover. Pass to Rapida. Rapida back to Villamor. Pass to Palma sa ilalim. Tawag pa rin. Nakakuha nyo. Nakakuha na rin Kitos. Kitos pass to Villamor. 2 points. Number 22. Pinasan. Pinasan. Nakuha ni Macalino. Macalino umikot pa. Fade away shot. 2 points. Number 9. Pass to number 22. Side step. Pass to John. First connection. Nakuha ni Macalino. Pass to Kitos. Kitos sa atake. Pass to Kitos. Nakuha ni number 9. Number 9. Mahal pa tayo dyan. Foul kay number 24. Macalino. Inbound by number 9. Mac. Pass to John. Pass to Lamau sa ilalim. No good. Na-rebound nito. Palabangin sa ilalim. Tumakas pa. Nakakuha nito. Nakatapik ni John. Save ball. Inbound by Apita, pass to Makalino. Backhanding again, nasunod na number 9. Number 9, pass to John. John, nasunod na number 9. Back na si Paul Naigana. Paul by number 9. Kilos again, back to Villamor. Villamor. Didiskarte, pass to Palma. Palma, back to Villamor, pass to Apita sa press. No good. Rebound by Palma again. Palma na sunod. Pero nakuha ni Villamor, pass to Kilos. Number 9. Number 9, pass to number 22, side step again. Nahuli na rebound by Kilos. Makalino, pass to Apita. Apita na sunod na number 22. Number 22, side step again. May foul by Gana. Foul by number 26 again. Sinasa kay Apita. Nasunod na siya. Shot sa Patrick. Pass to number 22. Receiving points. Villamor again. Villamor pass to Villamor. Seconds to shoot. Back to Villamor. Nasunod na nakakuha ni number 9. May foul tayo dyan. Substitution. Number 22. Pass to number 9. Number 9 back to number 22. Pass to number 4. Back to number 22. Press. Get something points. Number 1. Samuel ng bola. Pass to one back. Saul. 15 seconds to shoot. Saul. Nasunod na number 1 ni number 9. Shot pass down for you, City Boys. Number 11. Number 11, Villamor. May foul tayo dyan. Substitution rep. 18 seconds shot clock. Inbound by Saul, back to Sabian. Sabian. Pinasa kay Bill. Easy 2 points. Number 9. Number 9. Pass to Sean. Sean, nasunod na pero nakuha pa ni number 9. Pass to number 12. Back to number 4. Number 4 stress. Double. Rebound by number 9 again. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 7. Pass to the right. Villamor. Villamor na ito na. Villamor sa Patrick. Double dribble compilation. Number 9 again. Number 9, pass to Sean. Sean lumatang. Rebound by number 4. City points para kay number 4. Sabihan. Pass to Villamor. Nakuha ni number 0. Number 0. Palapaw ka. City points. Sabihan. Pass to Villamor. City points again. Number 1. Pass to number 22. Number 22 sumulong sa 6 ng 3 points. Sabihan. Sabihan i-discarte. 12 seconds to shoot. Pass to Negatas. Nawala na rin pass to Sean. Sean sa pass break. Wala na rin yung mga number 22. Jump shot floater. With 0 points. Sabihan again. Sabihan. Pass to Sol. 15 seconds. Back to Sabihan. Sabihan jump shot. No good. Na-rebound din number 9. Pass to Sean. Shot sa pass break. Easy to good again. Nakakuha ni Villagador. Villagador lumipad. No good pa rin. Villamor. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha nito. Villamor again. Villamor jump shot. No good. Rebound by Sean. Pass to number 22. Number 22. Easy to points. Sabihan back to Villamor. 15 seconds to shoot. Villamor sa 3. No good. Rebound by number 9. Pass to Sean. Ito na Sean. No good. Official score, 64-36. Pasyal na malaki ang labang ng Buzz. Baka madagan na kayo ng mga player dyan, mga bata. Ito mo yung number 9. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 9 again. Pass to Sean. Sean pass to Kalibaw. Back. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Yes, 7 points. Sabihan. Pass to Roque. Roque umatake na huli. 17 seconds to shoot. Same ball. 8 ball by out of bounds. Number 9 again. Pass to number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 4. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Floater. No good. Rebound by number 0. Number 0 sa ilalim. 10 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. Number 22, pass to number 7. 10 seconds to shoot sa number 3. No good, rebound by Side. Side, pass to Sabihan. Pass to Quitos. Quitos, back to Side. Side jump shot. No good. Rebound by Quitos. Wala pa rin nakakuha nito. Galing siya. 14 seconds to shoot. Galing siya. Pass to Roque. 10 seconds to shoot. To wala na out. No good. Pass to Quitos. 6 points. Number 9. 2 minutes and 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Sean. Sean, number 10. Galing siya. Pass rin pass. Nakakuha number 22. Pass to number 7. Back to number 4. Number 4 and 9. Side, pass to Roy. Roy. May foul tayo dyan. Foul to number 7. Sabian. Gagawa ng 8. Sabian, pass to side. Side, back to 15 seconds to shoot. Sabian, back to side. Jump shot, no good pa rin. Reward by number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 22. 15 seconds left. Number 9. 13 seconds left. Go shot back. That's 13 seconds remaining time. Side. Pass to 7 seconds left. Pass to Roy sa 3. No good. Out of bounds. 6 seconds left. 6 seconds remaining time. Number 5 seconds left. Pamadali. Number 9 pass to number 7. Number 7 is Sito. End of the second quarter. Official score 70-28. Labang na malaki ang Malspin Nominal.
Maraming gagaya dyan.
Moving up to the game. Now, pass to number 9. Pass to number 4 again. Lumipat na. Naman is 2 points. Wala na. Pass to na. Niceness. No good. Minus ball talaga. First row, no good. Second row. That's it. Last shot. That's it. 12 to go. Justin again. Justin, crossover. Pinasakay siyang sa 3. No good. Rebound by number 9. Pass 2. Nawala na kayo na. Para sa fast break. Tawag pa rin. Bumaba kayo pa rin ako. Sean, pass to Justin. Justin. Back to Sean. Sean, atake na. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 4. May foul tayo dyan. Foul by number 24. Pushing foul. 16 seconds left. Shot clock. Justin. Justin nagsiset ng play. 10 seconds left. Shot clock. Nasa kay number 9. Number 9 back to Justin. Pass to 5 seconds left. Number 0 is Sito Buwan. Palangin. Pass to Hapida. Hapida pass to Nara. Nara. Pass to Villamor. 30 seconds back to Nara. seconds na. Inbound by Naka. Naka sa press. Double. Inbound by number 4. Number 4. Atake na naman. Kaso nasusulan ako na nila naman pass to Rapita. Easy to points. Justin. Justin. 3 seconds. Pinasa number 9. 10 seconds. Number 9 pass to Justin sa 3. No good. Out of bounds. Palan. Pass to Naka. 15 seconds to shoot. Back to Makalino. Nasundan. Nawala mo yung pass to Justin. Justin sa 3. No good. Tumali siya. Out of bounds. Palan again. Palan. Pass to Naka. Nasundan. Double. Number 4 na Maudalek. Pass to Sean. Sean. 15 seconds to shoot. Back to Justin. Pass to Sean again. Sean is step back. He's 2 points. Back to Naka. Nakakuha na number 9. Pass to Justin. Justin. Di na. Wala. Justin Tubi na ba? Easy 2 points. Velemon. Mahuli na yung kasama na ball. Foul by number 7. 2 shots. Para kay Velemon. Good. Last move. Justin again. Pass to number 9. Pass to Sean. Sean. Disconnect. May foul tayo dyan. Foul by number 11. Basket. Ating first row. Second row. No good. Rebound by Rapita. Rapita pass to Naka. Naka-press. Wala pa rin. Number 7 sa fast pick. It's 2 points. Makalino. Makalino pass to Rapita. 15 seconds to rest. Wala pa rin ako na number 4. Malupaw tayo dyan. Foul by number 5. Number 9 pass to Justin. Justin. Didiskante pass to number 4. Wala pa rin. Nasa kanya pa rin ang bola. 15 seconds to shoot. Nakakuha ni Villamor. Villamor nakakataya. Easy up. Back to Justin. Justin. Pass to number 9. Pass to Sean. Sean. 15 seconds to shoot sa kalabaw. Nakakuha ni Rapida. Back to Alan. May masabang foul. 11 pala. Kaila 2. First room. Wala. Second goal para kay number 11. Wala pa rin yung number 4. Pass to Justin. Justin. Pass to Apita. Apita sa Patrick. Pass to Villalobos. Back to Villalobos. Villalobos jump shot. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha kay Villalobos. Justin. Justin kumawala. Justin kinuha ni Villamor. Easy to points. Number 9. Pass to number 7. Shot diskarte. Eto na lipad na naman. Easy to points. Tagal. Pass to Apita. Happy na sa dress. It's a 3 points. Sumabay ka pa ako yung smugs. Justin Goldwyn discarded. 15 seconds to shoot. Mamidaw yung ISO. ISO na. Eto na Justin. Jump shot. Wala. Nakakuha ni Villalobos. Villalobos atay. Number 9. Pass to number 11. Nakakuha ni number 8. Villalobos. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha ni Sean. Pass to number 4. Ito na. Wala pa rin. Sean. Pinasa kay Sean. Dalawan yun. Padahal, easy to points. Justin again. Justin. Pass to number 7. Number 7 umatake. Easy to points. Padahal again. Pass to Nasres. It's a 3 points. Justin. 15 seconds to shoot. Justin discarte. Pass to Sean. Back to Justin. Justin low range 3. It's a 3 points. Buwag makabawi sa tres. It's a 3 points again. Justin. Babawin ulit. No good. Nakakuha ni Villalobos. Pass to Nakastres. Wala. Nakakuha ni Villalobos. Easy to points. Sean, nangyawag sa bola. Sean, back to Justin. 15 seconds to shoot. Justin, discarte. 10 seconds to shoot. Nakakuha pa rin number 9. Number 9. 3 seconds violation. Substitution right? Nag-twerk pa kasi. Back to number 9, back to Justin. Ito na, Justin. Sabihin, hindi mo maiisa na. Maupakal tayo by foul by number 11. Hindi mo maiisa si Kuya Bogart. Grabe mo ang taas sa IQ. Happy na stress. No good. Rebound by Villamor. Villamor. Pass to Naka. Naka. No good. Pass to Naka. Happy na stress. Wala pa rin. Pass to Yasin. Yasin ito na. Walang goal. Pinakingit sila ng score. Yasin ang dribble. Sino sa tutan? 11 seconds to shoot. Ala. 8 ball by number 9. Back to Justin. Justin. 11 seconds to shoot. Justin isa lang. 12 seconds to naman shot. Shot na umatake. Easy 2 points. Number 9. Number 9 pass to number 4. Number 4. Easy 2 points. Grabe naman yun. Million again. 15 seconds to shoot. 3. Double. Rebound by number 4. Pass to Villalor. Villalor releasing the points. Number 0. Back to Justin. Justin is around. Justin and the dribble. 30 seconds to shoot. Justin. Back to Justin again. Low HP. No good. Rebound by number 5. Nakakuha ni number 9. Pero nakakuha na naman ni Villalor. Villalor pass to Villalor. Easy 2 points. Akala ko dadagdag. Justin. Justin. Pass to Sean. Ito na siya. Dadagdag na naman. 2 points. Naka. Susunod na 3. Wala. Shot back with Justin. Just 30 seconds left. Justin, tadak back. 4. Double dribble violation. Last 23 seconds left. Villalor. Pass to Naka. Pass to Naka. Number 17. 0 points. 11 seconds left. Justin, tatama mo na. Gusto mo. Tatama mo. 5 seconds na. Justin susubo again. Tataktak na. Wala pa rin. Naging Spider-Man. Wala nang oras. Pagkalisin dyan! 4th quarter pa na! Magsisimula pa na itong 4th quarter natin! Balik po muna sa kakupahan ninyo! Alis! Balik road muna! Alis! Magsibalikan po muna tayo! Huwag yung tumungin si Justin dyan! Iuwi na ba yan? Iuwi na kayo! Wait na! Back to the ball game na tayo! Back to the ball game! Balik po tayo! Balik! Alis! Si Justin ay ano? Okay, back to the ball game. Sayang na po ang natin. Sayang po ang nila. Justin, nag-set na play. Pass Pass to number 9. Back to number 0. Protocol. The good. Rebound by Monaga. Pass to Milan. Pass to Roque. Ay, si 2 points. Justin again. Justin pass to Sean. 15 seconds to shoot. Shot to make this Carter. Nakawala pa rin. Pinasa. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala pa rin yung rebound by Sam. Pass to Roque. Pass to Monaga. Out. Justin. Pass to number 9. Back to Justin again. 15 seconds to shoot. Justin. Pass to number 0. Number 0 is 2 points. Baran. Pass to Baran. Back to Baran. Baran. Alicia. Pass to Baran. Roque. Nagot pa rin. Out of bounds. Stable tayo, stable. 14 seconds shot now. Roque. Pass. 10 seconds to shoot. Side PC 2 points. Justin again. Justin, pass to number 9. Number 9, back to Sean. 15 seconds to shoot. Justin. 10 seconds. Pumukol na 3. Wala pa na yung rebound by Side. Side pass rate. Para kay Baran. Baran. Good. Rebound by Sean. Pass to Justin again. Justin. This Carter. Pass to Sean. Sean na-atake naman. Nasudan na ako ni Side. Side. Pass to Roque. Roque. Back to the seconds. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 9. Number 9 pass to Justin. Justin na-atake. Pinasa. Pass to number 0, back to number 9 is 2 points. Again, pass to Galicia. Pass to Roque. The good. Rebound by Galicia ulit. 15 seconds to shoot. Side. The good. Side ulit. Pass to 10 seconds to shoot. Galicia. Is 2 points. Justin. Pass to number 9, back to Justin again. 15 seconds to shoot. Shot sa 3. Dogi pa rin reward by number 7, back to Justin. 10 seconds to shoot. Justin. Out of bounds. Substitution left. Velegador. Nakakuha nito. Nakakuha ni Velegador ulit. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Velegador. Pass to Palma. Easy 2 points. Justin. 15 seconds to shoot. The number 7 back to Justin. Sa 3. Wala pa rin yung rebound by Pata. Pass to Velegador. Side step. Wala pa rin nakuha ni Velegador. Pass to Amita. Easy 2 points. Official score 170. Lamang ng 30. Ang foul speed nominal. Last 6 minutes left. Justin. 15 seconds to shoot. Justin this Carter. 10 seconds. Pass to Sean. Nakakuha na yung Velegador. Velegador pass para kay Apita. Easy 2 points. 28 na lang ang kalatakan ng pass. Justin. Pinasa na yung Velegador. First throw. Wala. Second throw. Basket. Dalawa, pass ko Kapita. Kapita. Kasama ni Bella Lalo. Bella Lalo excited. Is 0 points. Just again, pass the shot. Eto na shot sa pass. Grab one. Bella. Nakakuha na nakuha nito. Nakakuha ni Bella. Pero nasunod Justin. Justin ang pabalik. Nasunod na rin. Makalino. 2 points para kayo Bella.
Nino.
Justin.
Nino.
Justin. Pinasa nakuha ni parang pasay para kayo Kapita. Justin, pass to number 9. Number 9, back to Justin. Pass to shot. Shot sa 3. It's 3 points. Kapita. Kapita sa 3. No good. Rebound by number 9. Pass to Justin. Justin, pass to shot. Subok na naman sa 3. 3 points again. Makalino. Makalino to ang 3. No good. Rebound by number 0. Number 0. Umigot pa. Nakakuha ni number 21. Pass to Villamor. Villamor sa 3. No good. Rebound by Kapita. Pass to no good. Rebound by number 9. Pass to Justin. Tap. Justin sa 3. No good. Villamor. Villamor sa 3. Ano yun? Justin. Pass to shot. Shot again sa 3. No good. Nakakuha ni number 0. Number 0. Pumuko ng 3. Wala pa rin rebound by Makalino. Makalino. Pass to Villamor sa 3. Last 3 minutes and 26 seconds left. Kinabahan, kinagay. Okay, back to the ball game. Justin. Justin. 15 seconds to shoot. Ito na Justin. Umatake. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 0. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to siya. Tumira ng half-court. It's 3 points. Layo naman nun. Pass to naka-stress. It's 3 points again. Shot. Susubok na naman sa 3. No good. Out of bounds. Naka-support. No good. Nakakuha ni number 9. Pass to Justin. crossover. Justin, tumatake na huli. Pass to number 10 seconds to shoot siya again. Sa 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 0. Pass to Justin sa 3. Sa 3 points. Son. Pass to number 6. Still good. Rebound by number 9. Pass to Justin again. Justin is 2 points. That's 2 minutes. Justin, double. Number 0. Pass siya. Ito na. Siya again. Grabe yung pinaulit-ulit lang ah. Sisirain yung green. Number 5. Nakastress. It's 3 points. Justin. Pass to siya. Back to Justin. Justin to Miss Carte. No good. Rebound by Roque. Nakuha number 9. Number 9. Pass to Justin. Justin. No good. 15 seconds to shoot. Justin, wow! Super layup. Number 0, susubok. Wala pa rin. 5 seconds to shoot. It's 3 points. Para kay number 0. Look away, 3 points. Grabe na good. Naka-stress. No good. Rebound by number 9. Wala na oras. Wala na oras. Panalo ang pass. Sino ay nalabasin? O pieces ko. Wala na
Sana maulit, coach. Historical kasi to. First time na talaga sa Kaila. Ang dami ding nanood. Sana maulit.